Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to check how much RAM you have in your computer. The method that will be shown in the video can be used on all versions of Windows. First, right click on the Windows Start icon, then click on File Explorer. Please note that on Windows 7 and Windows XP, File Explorer is known as Windows Explorer. Once you click on File Explorer, on the left hand side, right click on this PC. Please note that on Windows 7 and Windows XP, this PC is also known as computer. So once you right click on it, you have to click on Properties. It will open up this screen where you can check how much RAM your computer has and some other specifications. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.